Hi, this is Eric Gonzalez, and I'm here to talk to you about the photographer Annie Leibovitz. Annie Leibovitz is a portrait photographer who in 1970 landed a job at Rolling Stones. In 1983, she began working for the entertainment magazine Vanity Fair, continuing to produce images that would be known as iconic and provocative. Annie is also known for her many portraits of famous celebrities such as Meryl Streep, Caitlyn Jenner, and including the Queen herself, Queen Elizabeth II. Here in this slide, you can see the photo of Meryl Streep taken in her youth. Here's more of her work. Over here is Caitlyn Jenner, which in 2015 she landed on the cover of Vanity Fair when she transitioned from Bruce Jenner to Caitlyn Jenner. This image really spoke to me because I vividly remember this Vanity Fair cover because of how much it shocked the whole nation. And it was just really like incredible to see that she was the one who was behind the camera doing this work. And then here we have a photo of Queen Elizabeth II. And here we have another celebrity dressed as Snow White. These are other important photos that were important to me. All three of these photos are important to me because they're all Disney themed. Disney's really important to me because I grew up with Disney, and being a part of the Disney College program made me realize that I want to work for the company Disney, and knowing that she takes fun portraits like these that uses advertisements for Disney is incredible to see, because I want to do social media with Disney. So knowing that she does like this type of work is like super incredible. Um, like here we have like the Brave picture, the Princess and the Frog, and like Queen Latifah as Ursula from like The Little Mermaid. All of these are like well-known characters from Disney movies. So it's just like really incredible to see like she's very broad with her work, and she can pretty much do anything from like a celebrity portrait to something fun and heartwarming like this. I chose Annie because my photography style is very like portrait mode. I like taking close-ups of my subjects. I like making connections with my subject. The most fun I've had during the semester with the assignments were the most close-up ones, just because like it was fun being able to like shoot my subject and like learn their comfortableness with the camera, and just vibing with them and making those connections. And like to any future employer who sees this, just know that like, I relate to Annie because of her portrait mode work that she's done for celebrities and other subjects. And like these three are a few of my subjects that I've taken for close-up photos. And this is the link to my photography website that has more of my work. Here's a close-up of a flower, my friend Ashley, and then my roommate Chelsea. So all three of these photos are just like examples of all the portraits I've taken and how I would love to do social media for Disney one day, and doing that and taking these photos and like learning from famous photographers like Annie will help me with my career and help me continue to capture stronger photos and learning from the best, such as Annie herself. And here's my works cited. Thank you.